Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default language on your laptop. This easy guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can personalize your device to your preferred language. We'll cover adding new languages, setting them as your primary choice, and even removing those you no longer need. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete, giving you full control over your laptop's linguistic interface. To begin, open your laptop settings and navigate to the Time and Language section. From there, select Language and Region to see your current language setup. You'll find an option to add a language. Click this to browse and select your preferred new language. Once chosen, proceed with the installation of the language pack and any additional features like text-to-speech or handwriting recognition. This usually takes just a few moments. For those seeking plant-based protein, there are many nutritious options. Lentils are a fantastic choice, providing 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, along with plenty of fiber. Tofu, a soy-based food, offers about 10 grams of protein per half cup and can be used in countless dishes. Quinoa stands out as a grain that delivers 8 grams of complete protein per cooked cup. And don't overlook almonds, which give you 6 grams of protein in a 1/4 cup serving. If you have languages you no longer need, removing them is just as simple. In the Language and Region settings, select the language you wish to uninstall. You will then see a Remove button. Click this to uninstall the language pack from your system. Keeping only the languages you actively use can help maintain optimal system performance. Always ensure your changes are saved before closing the settings window.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.